Just a quick one today. Following Storm Kira and Storm Dennis, I've received a lot of comments from people asking how to enable Garmin Storm Alert. Now this enables any Garmin watch with a barometer that's built in to give you valuable notice when a storm is potentially going to hit. Now the Storm Alert is available in the Garmin Fenix range from the Fenix 3 onwards, and also the Fenix derivatives such as the Mark and the Chronos, as well as the Garmin Instinct and some of the top end Forerunner models. To do this, you must make sure you've got the barometer or the ABC screen set up as part of your active widgets. So scroll down to the ABC screen and press the start button. And then scroll down to the barometer and press the start button again. And then scroll down to Storm Alert. Here we can press the start button to enable the Storm Alert. If we scroll down, we can adjust the sensitivity. Here we can adjust the barometric drop during a 3-hour period, which will trigger the Storm Alert. The higher the barometric drop, the less sensitive the Storm Alert will be, and the lower the barometric drop, the more sensitive the Storm Alert will be. I usually have mine set to somewhere in between, at around about 4 millibars per 3-hour period. You may find you have different results depending on which part of the world you're from. When a storm is imminent, the watch will vibrate and beep and visually tell you there's a storm on its way. So that's it for now. I hope you found it useful. If you have, please click like and subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon to be notified when a new video is uploaded. Until then, all that leaves me to say is thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you again in the next video.